that I got from Home Depot. I love the color, so I had to go ahead and buy the purple Dyson. I've been waiting for so long to get it. It was really hard to find the purple color. I think it was on QVC, but I just went ahead and got it when it was on the website for Home Depot. This is the color, so pretty. It works really good. See it in action. It attaches into the dustbuster, so that's awesome. And yeah, I think it was like in stock just for a little while, but they go out of stock so fast. So if you want to grab one, it's really nice. I couldn't find a YouTube video with this color because I just wanted to see the color so bad, because they have all the like silver ones and stuff, and they had a really pretty pink one, but that was from a while ago. I think this is the V8, so they have like V10 and all those different ones, but this one works on carpet and like wood floors. So just thought it would be a good addition to the house. A nice vacuum, and it has like the, you know, max and then regular. I haven't charged it in a couple days and it stayed charged, so I guess I don't have to vacuum that much, but I feel like I've used it a lot and the battery has stayed on for a while, so I really like it. The color is just so gorgeous. Anyways, any questions, leave it down below. Alright, like and subscribe. Bye.